It's shaping up to be a huge Sunday in the car world as Matt Armstrong returns with another major update. And this time, the spotlight is on two of his biggest ongoing projects, the Bugatti Veyron and Alex's purple Chiron. And if you've been following the journey so far, you already know neither of these builds has gone smoothly. The Veyron has become a constant battle of fixes and failures. Every time progress starts to look solid, another issue appears and resets the momentum. It's no longer just a rebuild. It's turned into an ongoing fight to keep the car alive and functioning properly. Meanwhile, the purple Chiron is finally entering a more critical phase. This project has pushed the team across borders, sourcing rare parts, manufacturing custom components, and coordinating suppliers just to keep everything moving forward. It's not a simple restoration. It's a full-scale engineering operation spread across multiple workshops. So right now, both builds are at key turning points. One is still stuck in a cycle of unresolved issues, while the other is slowly piecing itself back together after months of delays and global part hunting. And that's exactly why this Sunday's update is so important. Matt has now shared fresh insight into the current state of both builds, what problems have finally been solved, what's still holding things back, and what the next steps actually look like. So instead of breaking it down secondhand, let's go straight into his update. I will now play Matt's video.
This Sunday we have an update on the Bugatti Veyron, and what an update that is. Oh my god, that is a whole ordeal, and it's still unfinished business there. It's still unfinished business. Next week we then got a very special one-off video dropping, which is going to be cool, and then after that the purple Chiron is back. We've got updates, we've got parts, we've manufactured, made and travelled around so many different countries to try and get parts to rebuild Alex's purple Chiron, and that's coming very soon. So a couple of weeks time, Alex's Chiron is back and the Veyron is live this Sunday. See you then.
Now that we've seen the update, one thing is clear. Both projects are still very much alive, but neither is close to finished. The Veyron is not fully out of the woods yet. There are still lingering issues that need attention, making this more of a progress checkpoint rather than a final breakthrough. And the purple Chiron? That build is finally gaining real momentum again. After long delays, sourcing struggles, and international coordination, things are starting to align in a way that shows real progress is being made. But even so, neither story is complete yet. Both builds are still unfolding, and the next updates could end up being the most critical ones so far. So make sure you stay tuned for what happens next. And don't forget to subscribe.